Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix a really frustrating Windows error that completely locks up Office printers, specifically models like the classic HP LaserJet 1020 Plus. Just the other day, an Office user called me over because her printer completely stopped printing. On the surface, everything looked perfect, the printer was powered on, the lights seemed normal, and Windows even showed the printer as active. There were absolutely no error pop-ups on her screen. But when I dug deeper into the Windows Event Viewer, I found this exact culprit, Event 3502, OneCore-DeviceAssociationService, Device Dissociation Unpinned Failed. What's happening here is that Windows is trying to drop a background connection to the device. It gets stuck in a loop and it silently jams up your Print Spooler without alerting you. Let's walk through the quick step to clear this jam and get your documents printing again. Step 1. Clear out the invisible jam. Because the HP LaserJet isn't getting the command, we need to clear the cache. Press Windows key plus R, type services.msc and hit enter. Scroll down to find the Print Spooler service. Right-click it and select Stop. Leave this window open. Now, press Windows key plus R again. Type or paste the path C backslash Windows backslash SYSTEM 32 backslash spool backslash printers and press enter. If a folder permission box pops up, just click continue. Grab every file inside this folder and delete them. This empties the stuck commands. Go back to your services window, right-click Print Spooler, and click Start to turn the printing engine back on. If you manage IT or technical support in your office and this trick saved your day, please hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more real-world IT troubleshooting steps. Thanks for watching.